Guys, harvest na rin tubo sa amo, guys. This is how the way to harvest the sugarcane now. This is new discover how to harvest sugarcane. Because before, every person carry that sugarcane to go in the truck. But now it's kind of different. Look, so amazing, guys. Amazing, guys. Look. Kuha na, guys. Babakho na ang likuan ba. Grabe kayo, guys. Ay. Hindi na kinahanglan daghang tao, guys. Kay bakho naman lang nagkuha. Nagbit-bit. Ala. Grabe. Awan ay, dili na maarang, way. Sakhagum. Hugaw lang hinon kayo, no? Oh, daghan may maapil nga umbak. Ala, grabe kayo. Sas, nagbabagay. Na expert cane driver, oh. Grabe kayo. Ayos. Ayos kayo. Kaway-kaway naman dyan. Ayos kayo.